Guangzhou Yunyang Electronic Technology Company Limited is a specialist battery charger manufacturer based in Guangdong, China. We produce battery chargers, waterproof battery chargers with power ratings ranging from 50 watts to 2,500 watts, supporting lithium and lithium lead-acid battery chargers. These battery chargers are widely used in electric scooters, electric cars, electric robots, golf carts, electric yachts, surfboards, energy storage batteries, etc. All chargers are CE and RoHS certified. Waterproof series products are also available with FCC, LVD and KC related certifications. Most products pass CB, GS, CQC. And our quality management system is certified by ISO 9001:2015. As a manufacturer, we have our own factory and R&D team, experienced engineers and efficient workers, so prices will be more competitive. And we offer pre-sales, after-sales, and technical support services. Currently, we have relationships with more than 200 distributors around the world and have exported to many countries, including Europe, Australia, the Middle East, and more. More than 16 years of professional R&D teams and experience provide us with strong technical support to work on the OEM and ODM projects. We sincerely look forward to building a friendly business relationship with you and achieving our win-win goals.